Okay. Okay, now it is recording. Okay, Shabab. So today topic is shift registers. Okay, shift register. So now, what is shift register? Can you able to see the slides?
Yes, we are able to see them.
Yeah. So what is shift register is? Shift register is a circuit which is constructed basically from flip-flops. So one of the application of shift flip-flop is there are two applications. One application counter. We already studied last week. Counter. JK mod 5 counter, mod 6 counter, mod 7 counter, like this counter. Another application is shift register. Okay, so shift register is made up of D flip-flop. We already studied D flip-flop. You remember D flip-flop, Shabab? D flip-flop. You remember D flip-flop? What is D flip-flop?
Is it teacher from chapter 7?
Yeah. D flip-flop. Flip-flop. See, somebody, Ahmad, who is everybody is hearing my voice. Okay, my voice is okay.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So you remember the D flip-flop? We already studied D flip-flop. So what is D flip-flop? Anyone say D flip-flop? How? What is meant by D flip-flop?
When the input is 0, the output is still 0, right?
Yes, very good. Buffer. It is like buffer.
Yeah.
When the input is 0, output is 0. Input is 1, output is 1. Okay. So the shift register is made up of D flip-flop. Okay. The very important thing is the shift register have two important properties. These are very important. One is they can store a binary number. So a binary number can able to store or save. We can save the binary number. Number two is the number can be shifted within the register. So shifted means the number can be moving within the register. Okay, shift means moving. Okay, from one register to another register, the number can easily moving. I will show you now. Okay. Who is typing something? In Arabic, there see Hussein al-Shuhaib and Ahmad al-Nusayr is typing in Arabic. So this is not for me.
Problem in the voice. So I.
Okay. You are helping, huh?
Yes.
Okay. I thought that it is for me. No. Okay. Good. Okay. So now I will explain now. So see here. Now, see, draw the circuit of the question is coming like this. See, draw the circuit of a 3-bit serial in, serial out shift register using D flip-flop. Okay, the type later we will study. So this is a 3-bit shift register. So 3-bit shift register means it can store 3 bit. You know, bit means digit, 1 digit. Okay, 3-bit. See here, let me take this one. So this is a pointer. Okay, so if it is a 3-bit means, see, this is first bit, second bit, third bit, and it is a D flip-flop. So see, this is the data input, and this is Q output, and it is this output is connected with another input here. Okay, so this is output is connected with another input here. So it is serial in. So the data is coming serially and that data is going serially. Therefore, it is called serial in, serial out. Let me tell you about the type. After that, I will come back to this one. What are the type is? See here. You know, there are 4 important types. Okay, first type is serial in and serial out. Serial in means the data is coming serially. Serially means 1 by 1. Okay. For example, assume that this is your room. Okay, there are 3 students here. Okay, so how they are coming is these 3 students coming 1 by 1. Okay, and then this is the entrance and this is the exit door, and they are leaving also 1 by 1. So this type is called serial in, serial out. So coming also 1 by 1 to the room and going out also 1 by 1. Okay, therefore it is called serial in, serial out. And this is also same. So what is the difference between this picture and this picture is here the direction. Okay, what is the direction? It is right. Okay, from left to right, and here from right to left. But these two are same. Okay, so this is the first type. Now second type is assume that the same room, same 3 students, but how they are coming is they are coming together. See, data in, the coming together, but going one by one. Therefore, it is called a parallel in. Okay, since they are coming together, therefore it is called a parallel in, but they are going one by one. Therefore, it is called a serial out. Shabab, all of you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, okay. So this is second type. So serial in and serial out. Second type. Sorry, parallel in and serial out. Now the third type is, see here the third type is coming serially one by one, but going out together. For example, assume that this is a room. The 3 students are coming one by one, but they are leaving together. They are leaving together. One is parallel in, parallel out. Parallel in, parallel out means they are coming also together, they are going out also together. Okay, so there are 4 types. What are the, once again I am telling 4 types. First type is serial in, serial out. They are coming one by one and they are going out one by one. Okay, second type is parallel in and serial out. That means they are coming together and going out one by one. Okay. Third type is they are coming serial and going out together. Okay, coming one by one and going out together. Fourth type is coming and going together. Okay. Now I want to ask one question. Which one is the fastest? Tell me, Shabab. Anybody tell me? There are 4 type I explained. Which one is very slow and which one is very fast? Can anybody tell me?
The last one is very fast and the first one very slow.
Very good, very good. The last one is very fast because the students are coming same time and going also same time. Okay, parallel in, parallel out. But the first type, so this is very fast. But first type is very slow because they are coming slowly one by one and they are also going one by one. So and yeah, the second type and third type it is in the medium. Okay, yes, speed is medium speed. Very low speed, the second and third medium speed. Okay, Shamba?
Okay.
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 Okay. Now coming to this one again. Okay. Now this is the serial in, serial out shift register flip flop. See here, flip flop 1, flip flop 2, flip flop 3. Now see here, data is coming here. Okay, serial in, serial out. So what is, assume that the data is 101. For example, the data is 101. Okay, 101. Okay, assume that the data is 101. Now, how this is moving is first, this last one. Did you see the pointer 1?
Yes, we see.
The pointer. Yeah, first this one will go here, then this one will shift it here, and then that one will come here. So after 3 clock pulses, this 101 will be sitting here, 101. Okay, so this 101 coming one by one and going out one by one also. Coming one by one and going out also one by one. Okay, so this is the arrangement of.
Teacher, how I know coming one by one and out one by one?
Because see here, here this diagram input, serial input, okay, and here this is the serial connection. See the serial connection, this and this in series and this in series, all series. So it is coming and also it is written here serial in, serial out. Okay, so that means coming also one by one and going out. So even you the 4 type you are studying only one type only, serial in, serial out only in detail. Okay, you don't need to study all the 4 types. You study only one type only. This one only. So no need to worry about this one.
Teacher, please. Notes what you write it down. We cannot see it in the slides.
Notes. Okay. No, okay. 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute.
Okay.
Now you can see. Now?
Still.
Still not seeing, huh? Okay.
Is there another student can see it?
Yes.
Yes,
Anybody
we
seeing
can
the,
see it.
I am writing here 101. Can anybody see 101 here?
Yes, teacher, I see.
Problem in my phone. Okay.
Okay, okay.
جرب سوي ريلود حق الصفحة.
Okay.
I am writing 101. Okay. Okay. So this is the thing. Okay. Now let me explain the waveform. So here, okay, here, see here, what is this one means? So here, I told that this one is how many bit? 3 bit. See here, three shift register. 1, 2, 3. So this is 3 bit. Now see here, this is 5 bit. Sorry, 4 bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it can capable of storing 4 bit. Okay, 4 bit number means. Let me write the 4 bit number for 4 bit. For example, let me write here 1 and 0. Okay, so this is a 4 bit number. So it can able to store 4 bit. Okay, what are the 4 bit? This is first bit 1 0 1 0. Okay, so this is the this is 4 bit shift register. Okay, so this is input serially going and output also serially and with the clock pulses. Okay, that 3-bit shift register contain 3 flip-flop, 4-bit shift register contain 4 flip-flop. Okay, here how it is moving is first this 0 will come here, then this 0 will shift here, so this 1 will come here, then third clock pulse, this 0 will be coming here, this 1 coming here, and this 0 enter here. Fourth clock pulse, this 0 coming here, this 1 coming here, this 0 coming here, and this 1 coming here. Okay, so after 4 clock pulses, this 1010 will be available here. Okay, then it is again it is 1. So first who is leaving? This 0 leaving, then this 1 leave, and then this 0 leave, and this 1 again. Okay. Okay. Now see here how the bit is, see, first clock pulse, second clock pulse, third clock pulse, fourth clock pulse. Okay, see here the bit is 1010. Okay, see the last column 1010. How? So initially the chip register no number 0000. The first clock pulse, you know, is coming here. Second clock pulse, okay, this 0 is shifting here and the 1 will come. Third clock pulse, the 0 is shifting here and this one coming here and 0. Fourth clock pulse, this 0 is shifting here and 1 coming and 0 1 0. So after 4 clock pulses, here like this, see here, this 1010. The number, for example, if the number is 1010, let me tell the number 101. So after 4 clock pulse, what will happen is this 0 will be coming here, 0 here, this okay, here 0 and here 1 and here here 0, sorry,
And
here 0 and so see here after 4 clock pulses, this 1010 will be sitting here, 1010, like this. Now this is leaving. How this is leaving? Okay, so fifth clock pulse, first number is going out. Sixth clock pulse, second number going out. Seventh clock pulse, all the third number is going out. Eighth clock pulse, all number going out. So what will happen is after the all the numbers will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, because all 4 students going out. See here, what will happen? What is the thing is here is initially the room is empty. Assume that 4 students. I already told that. Assume that we have initially the room is empty. See 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, now come. Assume that this is first student. Okay, assume that okay the number is 1010. Okay, so this is first student. 0 is first student. this is second student, third student, fourth student. I already told that there is one room, 4 students coming one by one. So first this student 0 is coming. Second 1 0 coming. Third this 3 students coming. Fourth 4 students coming. Now what will happen is during the 5th clock pulse, 1 student is leaving the room. So if 1 student is leaving the room, how many students in the room? Only 3 students. These 3 students. Now 6th clock pulse, 2 students left from the room. So how students remaining? Only 2 students. Now left the room. So how many students remaining in the room? Only 1 student. And 8th leaving left the room. So the room will be empty. So here you will get 0 0 0 0. So now waveform is here. Waveform is very easy to draw. Let me explain. See here, this what is this one means? This is nothing but how many bit? 5 bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 bit shift register, and this is the clock pulse. 1, 2, five clock pulses, and this is the data, and this is the data. And how the question will coming is draw the output waveform. So you have to draw how many output here? We have 5 outputs. See Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. So so the clock will be given, the data will be given. You have to draw Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. How to draw means very easy. This is very easy. If you draw only one, then all these waveforms are very easy to draw. Let me explain here. Assume that you can start from 0, and this is D flip-flop. We know D flip-flop truth table. So here data is 1. So if the data is 1, what about the output, Shabab? If the data is 1, what about the output? Yeah, see,
1.
now the data is, see, start from 0. Okay, start from this. This is the first. Here, how many? I already told that these are called what? These lines are called. I already told one word like checkpoint. Yeah, how many checkpoint here? 1, 2, 5 checkpoint.
5.
So start from 0. First checkpoint, see the data. Data is 1. So the output will be 1. Now second checkpoint. What is the data here? Second checkpoint.
1.
1. Now the third checkpoint. What is the data?
0.
0. So you have to draw the 0. 0 means down. Now go to the fourth checkpoint. What is the data?
1.
Now the final checkpoint. What is the data?
0.
0. So draw here 0.
Again, please, teacher.
Actually, you know, this is like a buffer. Okay, you who is telling again? Ahmed,
Yes.
who is telling again?
Yes, Ahmed Al-Noair.
Ahmed Al-Noair, sir.
Yes.
Ahmed Al-Noair, sir. You know buffer.
Yes.
If the input is 1, what about the output?
It will be 0. The opposite. Oh, 0. Sorry.
Buffer, not
1
buffer
1.
means if the input
Yes.
is 1, output is 1. Okay.
The inverse would be.
Okay. So see here. Okay. So here we have 5 checkpoints. Okay. 5 checkpoints. So
Yes.
you can start from 0 and then check the first checkpoint. All answers. Okay. I am speaking you. Okay.
Okay.
So start from 0. What is the data? What is the value in the first checkpoint? Tell me.
The first one.
1.
Start
So
from 1.
the output will be 1. See here the output. Output
Yes.
will be 1. See here. Now, what about the second checkpoint answer?
1.
Very good. So the output will be 1. You know,
So
1
it's
1
like
means
this,
up
huh?
and 0 means down. Huh?
So it's like this. What is in the input, it will be in the output.
Yes, yes, yes. Now you understand?
Okay, I got it.
Okay. Okay. So now the first waveform, you know how many waveform here, Shabab? How many waveform? 5 waveform. If you draw the first waveform, then the second, third, fourth, fifth are very easy. How means you just assume that you can push this waveform one bit right. Just to push the waveform one bit right, like this. Let me 1 minute. I will draw like this, pushing here. Okay. Okay. You see the arrow here. I am writing the arrow. Right push. Okay. So now again I am putting the pointer. See here. Now you understand. You just in your hand, using your hand, you just push the waveform right one bit, just one bit, not all, one bit. So what will happen is this is 0. This is also 0. Okay. One bit means one checkpoint up to this checkpoint. Okay. So here. So this one. Pushing. So this is coming here. Now, what is the first pulse length? 2. Okay, you understand that? 2. Okay, so this is the, see here, 2, 1. Okay, 2, 1. Then what will happen? This one, right? This one. So see down here. Now what is this one? The up here. So this is coming here. But again, what is this one? This one no need to draw because it will disappear. It will disappear. You have to draw here, but no need to draw. So, Shabab, you understand what I say?
No, teacher. Again, please.
Hello?
Again, please.
Who is, okay, again. Okay, no problem. Shabab, you see this waveform, the first waveform, okay?
Yes. Press okay.
Hello?
Press
Yeah,
okay, teacher.
Shabab, very simple, my friend. The first waveform, okay. The second waveform is just in your hand. Assume that this is your hand. You can push the waveform just one bit right. Push. You know the meaning of push?
Yes, teacher, I understand.
You push. Can anybody explain in Arabic? Push means push. Move
Move
one bit.
the number. Yeah.
Move the waveform. Shabab, move the waveform just one bit. One bit means, see here, this is okay. Now you can push this one bit. So that means, the same shape will be coming here. See here, first down. So this is moving one bit. One bit means here. Now the same waveform, see here, the same waveform. Okay. Two. There are 2 ones. See, these 2 ones will come here. 2, 1. Then 1, 0. 1, 0 will go here. Then this is 1, 1. That 1 will come here. That 0 will be here, but no need to draw. Going to the, no need to draw. Just draw only this one. Understand or not understand?
Yes, teacher, I understand.
Who, Sajjad understand? Who?
Yes, teacher.
Sajjad understand? Can you, Sajjad, can you explain in Arabic to the other students?
In Arabic? Okay.
Yeah. Other students, yeah, all other, yeah.
يقول لكم دكتور شباب تحركون الأرقام الجهة اليمين البداية تصير 0 وتبدي الباقي زي ما كان يعني. فهمتون ولا لا؟
كيف؟
الأولى بعدها ما عندي تضيع.
شوف الحين أنت لما تحركه الجهة اليمين تحرك الأرقام بتبدي من 0. طيب
إيه.
والباقي زي ما كانوا 0 زي اللي فوق. تكمل زي اللي فوق بالضبط. 4 أرقام.
في أحد باقي ما فهمها ولا؟
ايوه واضح.
إذا في أحد ما فهمها عادي عشان نعيد الشرح.
لا واضح. يعطيكم العافية.
تمام.
الله يعافيك. Teacher house, they understand. You can
They understand? Okay. Now,
Yes.
so, okay. Now, third waveform, what you have to do is you have to push the second waveform. Just one push. Again, one push. So what will happen is, see this shape. See first this one. This one is this one. Okay. And then here, how many? 2 ones. So see here, 2 ones. 2 ones. And then this is down. So this is down. You understand, Shabab? Again, one push.
Yes, teacher, I understand.
Now the next waveform is again one push. Again one push. So what will happen? This 2, 1 will be coming here. Now again one push. So this is coming here. You understand, Shabab? Just pushing,
Yes, teacher.
just in your hand, you can push this one right in the hand. Assume that in your hand you are pushing. Okay, moving one bit. One bit means one checkpoint. Just to
Yes.
Yes.
Hadi, understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, Shabab. So what will happen is, so Sadal Obed, yes.
I don't understand from second to.
First understand, huh?
Yes.
Which one understand? You what about understand? Which one? Sad.
Yes.
Yes. Which one not understand?
From one from.
Huh?
I understand only first bit.
What not understand, my friend? It is, I already told that push right. You know the meaning of push, move. Just using your hand, you move the waveform, Shabab. Right side, move the waveform. What is this one? Very easy.
I will explain it for him.
Yeah, can you please explain somebody because he is not catching
Yes, I will
the English.
explain it.
Please.
وش اللي ما فهمت انت بالضبط؟ قل لي في اي نقطة؟
فهمت من الأولى. حلو.
طيب
بعدين رفعته لأن رقم واحد صح؟
شوف خل اقول لك، في البداية لازم تبدأ بالشيء البسيط هذه تحت، خط تحت. ممكن اذا تشوف الخطوط هذه المتقاطعة. طيب هذه صفر لازم تبدأ فيها في البداية. بعدين اذا كان عندك رقم واحد ترفع رقم واحد وتمشي بخط.
عند
اذا عندك كان صفر تخليه تحت. هو مقصد المقصد حق ان انت تمشي بخط سيده الين ما توصل عند الديجيت حقتك. مثلا الديجيت الاول عندك واحد صح، وصلت عندها ارفع واحد. عرفت كيف؟ يقول لك الديجيت الثاني مثلا واحد، امش عد الاولى خلها صفر. يعني انت الحين شوف الكيو 1 وكيو 2. طيب الكيو 2 مش خط سيده، بعدين عند الزيرو ارتفع صح؟ ايوه فتت وترسمها.
ليش ارتفاع؟ قاعد اخبط.
في عندك ثنتين، هي الكليك والديجيتال انبوت. وهذا في اي مرتبه؟
كيف مثلا؟
شلون اشرحها لك؟ خله هو يعيدها لك في الصفر. تيتشر the zero for him.
Oh, Q0.
digit.
Huh?
The third digit.
Third digit. That third digit means Q3.
Yes.
Q3. Q3. So Q3 means, see the Q2. See this is the Q2.
He's asking,
okay.
Teacher, he's asking about why the zero is coming up. He's catching for the zero.
Q2.
He is asking why the zero is coming
Q2,
up.
Sorry. For Q2.
For Q2. Why the zero is
coming up. When he's
okay,
catching.
I will explain Q2. I will explain Q2. Q2. Shabab, very simple. All of you listen very carefully. Listen. Q2. Q2 is like Q1. See, just see. Q1 means you are shifting to 0. Q2 means you move Q1. So how to move means, see, first this is 0. Okay, this is 0, same 0. Now this is moving. You can move this one. So what you can move is, so now one bit. So this is 0. So this is also 0. So it will be pushing. You are moving one bit. So now, this 1, 1. So this one will be shifting here. 1, 1. 0 will be shifting here. Now this one, no need to draw. Just leave it. Ignore the one. That's it. Understand?
Continue, teacher, continue.
Okay. And now for this one, you just move this one. So how move this one means here there are two. This is 0 0. Okay. So moving. So this 0 is coming here. 0 0 2 0 coming, and this is 1 and 1. So this is 1 and 1. Okay. And then this one no need to draw. Leave it. After that, the final one is here. How many? 1 2 3. So 1 2 3 4 because it is shifting. Now this one will come here. Okay, that's it. Just assume that you push the waveform right. Okay. Or 1 1 0 1 0. So the same number. See here 1 1. See 1 1 0 1 0. So this all number will come here 1 1 0 1 0. Okay. So this is. I will give another example also, so you will understand very easily. Okay, so this is the diagram for serial in, parallel out. So serial in, see the data input is connected in serially. So this is serial, here serial, and the output is parallel. See here output 1 2 3 4. Okay, but here diagram only, the diagram for serial in, parallel out. Okay, now this is parallel in, parallel out. See here parallel in, parallel data input. So all are connected in parallel, and here all are connected in parallel. Okay, now go to the okay. Let me take 1 minute. 1 minute, please. Week 11 shift register video. Shift register, okay. Waveform only one. So just study this one only. Okay, only one example. I put only one example only. So you just study this one. Now here you just know how to draw the waveform only. Just for example, this type is serial in and parallel out. So the data input is serial. See here, the input is serial, but output is together. See here, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so the output is together. Now see here, the input is together and output is also together. Okay. This chapter is very easy. That's it. Shift register. Okay. So now, if anybody want to repeat any slide, they can tell me. I will repeat anything. Which one you want to repeat? Tell me. Which one you want to repeat? Tell me. I will repeat. Which slide you want to repeat? Tell me.
Teacher, we want you to repeat for chapter 9.
Counter, huh? Counter.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. Let me remove this one. Okay, share. Counter. You mean counter? Okay. Add files. Counter. Open. It is loading. This is very easy chapter. Shift register is very easy. And I again, Shabab, I put the video also. I will already I put the video. This is recording also. Okay, so you can watch this one also. After I will share the link with you. Recording. This is already recording.
Teacher, did you record chapter 9?
Huh?
Did you record chapter 9?
Chapter 9. Already I put the recording. Yes. I
Yes,
already put
teacher.
the recording.
Where do you put the link?
For the the flip flop, I didn't make the recording because I forgot to. Yeah, but
Yes, for the
chapter
counter.
9 counter, I already made the recording.
Yeah, where can I find it?
In the blackboard, everything in the blackboard.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. It is loading.
Teacher.
Yes.
Okay.
The counter is loading. That is why I am waiting. Only 8 students. Why? What about the other students?
Maybe they are sleeping.
You are getting any lessons by Blackboard or other subjects?
I don't teach, just you.
Huh?
No teacher, there's no subjects in the other classes.
It is counter. Okay, counter. Share now. Okay. Counter. This one. Okay. So counter. Which slide you want? This is counter. Can you tell me which slide I am just tell me which slide, huh? Which slide you want?
The first one, teacher.
You mean this one, or you mean this one? Huh? Okay, counter. So counter here, for example, what is this one? This is asynchronous counter using JK flip-flop. So this is 2 flip-flop. So it is mod 4 counter. Okay, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So see here, I will tell you. Take the pointer. So this is the clock. So 4 clock pulses. So the first flip-flop, because see here, see J1 K1. In JK flip-flop J1 K1, then the output will be toggled, right? Output will be toggled. Okay.
Yes.
Now see here. So see here. First initially 0. The first clock coming, the output will be toggled. And the second clock again toggle, and third clock here toggle, and fourth clock toggle. Okay, now for Q2, this is the clock. See here, for Q2, the Q1 is the clock. This Q1 is the clock. So see here, for Q2, this is the clock. It is a falling edge clock. So this is the edge here. So here it is 0. So when this is the clock. So here it changes its state. And then this is the clock. Here it is changes its state because it is negative clock. Negative means falling edge. So this is the clock here. So 4 clock and here 2 clock. Okay. Okay. So each flip-flop divide the frequency by 2. So here 4 hertz for 4 pulses. So first flip-flop will divide by 2. So you will get 2 pulse. And second flip-flop will divide by 2. So you will get 2 by 2, 1 pulse. Okay. Now this is 3, divide by 3. So divide by 3 means they are putting a NAND gate. Why means, I will show you. See here, this is the first one, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. So this is mod 3 counter. So this is not allowed, 1, 1 not allowed. Okay, only 3 states allowed. Mod 3 means only 3 states allowed, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. So we want to reset 1, 1 to 0. So that is why if you want to reset, you can use a NAND gate. NAND gate. So if you give here 1, 1, then you will get here 0. So that will be resetting this flip-flop. Okay, so then this is called a mod 3 counter, divide by 3 or mod 3 counter. Now see here, what is this one? This is called a divide by 5 counter. Divide by 5. So divide by 5 means I will explain. So here the divide by 5 means the first number is 0, 0, 0, second number 0, 0, 1, third number 0, 1, 0, fourth number 0, 1, 1, and fifth number 1, 0, 0. Okay. Now this is allowed. This 1, 0, 1 not allowed. Okay, because it is mod 5 counter, only 5 numbers allowed, 6th number not allowed. So we have to reset 101, we have to reset to 00. How can we reset means we have to use NAND gate between, here it is already 0, so no need to connect Q2. You have to connect Q3 and Q1 only. So see here, connect Q1 and Q3, Q1 and Q3. No need to connect all, only 2. You have to connect. So what will happen is, actually if you have no NAND gate, then what will happen is it will become mod 8 counter. Okay, it will become mod 8 counter. Since we are putting a NAND gate, it will not count mod 8. It will go to mod 5. See here, mod 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 5 pulses only. The 6th one will be reset. Now this is a synchronous counter. Synchronous counter means the same clock pulses is going parallel. Okay, parallelly. Okay, see here. So, and the waveform is same. Okay, waveform is same. Only difference is the clock pulse is going in parallel. Okay, there asynchronous counter means the clock pulse going serially. See here, the clock pulse is going serially. Here, see, this is clock, and here the output is given here. So it is serial clock. Okay, but here clock pulse going parallelly. See, the same clock will go here and here parallelly. This is where the timing and this one is same. Okay, waveform and this was the same. Now this is 3-bit. 3-bit means there are 3 flip-flop and we have same clock, parallel clock. Okay, and see here, the waveform is same, but the truth table. Okay, truth table. This is the truth table. The same truth table. 0, 0, 0, then 0, 0, 1. 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now, here, why they are putting a AND gate here is, okay, here they are putting an AND gate. Why means, how we can explain means, the first Q0, this one, J0, K0, 1. Okay, so J0, K0, 1 means here, so therefore it is toggling first 0, 1, 0, 1. Each state it is toggling Q0. Why it is toggling each state? Because see here J0 is 1, K0 is 1. So Q0 each time toggling, but Q1 not each time toggling. Why means here Q0, it is depending upon Q0. Whenever Q0 is 1, then only it is toggling. Okay, so the Q1 will depend upon Q0. See the table here. Q1 will depend upon Q0. Okay, so that means the Q1 is depending upon Q0. So if this is 0, 0 means no change. Okay, 0 means no change. So here the same 0. Now if it is 1, then toggle. Okay, if it is 1, then toggle. So it is toggling. Again it is 0, so no change, the same one. Okay. Now here it is 0, no change. But if it is 1 coming, then it is toggling. Okay, 0 means no change and 1 coming, toggling. Okay. Now see here the third one, they are putting a AND gate here. So this Q2 depend upon Q0 and Q1. Q2 depend upon Q0 and Q1. So let me analyze Q0 and Q1. See here Q0 and Q1. So Q2 depend upon the product of Q1 and Q0. So here the product of this and this. So 0 multiplied by 0, the answer is 0. So no change here. Okay. Now the product of this and this. So 0 multiplied by 1, 0. Okay. So 0 means no change. Again here no change. Now 1, 0, the answer is 0. So no change. But 1, 1, the answer is 1. So if the answer is 1, then it is toggling here. Okay, so this is the internal theory. But the truth table is, you know, it is very easy truth table. The same truth table. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 8. 7 and then reset. Who is asked? Anybody any have doubt? They can ask, no problem. Which slide I have to explain? I will explain. Anybody having any doubt? They can raise the hand and I will explain. But tell me which slide you want. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Any other doubt?
No, teacher, thank you.
Okay. Shabab, if you have now I finished the lesson. This week I finished the lesson. But if anybody having any doubt, they can ask, no problem. Any questions they can ask. This counter or shift register. Shift register is very easy. Okay, and I will put the recording. All our sessions are recorded now. Okay, I will put the recording in your blackboard. Okay, thank you, Sayed. I finished the class.
Teacher, when the final exam anyway?
Shabab, Mr. Chairman is telling that there will be no final exam like that, but quizzes only. Maybe this week one quiz will be there. This week, okay, maybe Wednesday it will be quiz 3. Okay, multiple choice question. Multiple choice question.
Do we have a quiz or no? Only final exam.
Quiz only. We have quiz this week.
This
Maybe
week?
Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday, coming Wednesday.
Teacher.
It is, what are the chapter is? The quiz will be from flip-flop and counter. It is a short quiz, 5 question, 5 multiple choice question. Just 5 multiple choice question. Okay. Regarding, but it is again, it is open book. You can open the book and answer. 5 multiple choice question. Okay. And the quiz will be maybe it will available for 2 days. I think 2 or 3 days. Not like midterm. Midterm 1 week, but quiz will not available 1 week. Quiz will be available maximum 2 days or 3 days maximum.
Okay.
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 Teacher, about the recording for the lesson for week 10. I can't see it on the blackboard. I only see the lesson video.
Go to the YouTube.
YouTube.
YouTube. There is a YouTube.
YouTube. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, department YouTube. Not only digital, all the subjects are there. You understand?
Yes, I understand.
We have a department YouTube, electrical engineering YouTube, department YouTube. Yeah, there you will get many playlists: digital electronics, analog electronics, industrial control. All the courses are there.
I see it.
You can choose a playlist digital electronics, then you will find videos.
Okay, teacher. Thank you.
Okay. Any other questions, Shabab? If you have no question, I will say goodbye. That's it.
Okay, goodbye, teacher.
Okay. See you, inshallah. Saad al-Ubaid, okay? Saad al-Ubaid.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay? Okay, Saad? Saad al-Ubaid, you are hearing me?
Yes.
What about Hadi?
Thank you, Doctor.
Okay. See you, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Take care. Stay in home, take care.
Thank you,
Okay.
teacher.